Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a transparent blur effect in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This effect is perfect for modern designs, eye-catching text animations, thumbnails, presentations, and social media posts. Whether you're creating a bold product promotion for your Shopify store or designing a sleek, professional presentation, this transparent blur effect can make your text stand out in a stylish and polished way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to apply transparency, add a blur animation, and preview the final result with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Canva tips like this. This way, you'll get all the latest tutorials and design strategies to help you create beautiful content no matter your experience level. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Canva's free plan gives you access to a ton of features, so you can get started right away without worrying about hidden costs. After logging in, you'll be on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and different design options. From here, click on any file of your choice. This can be an existing design you're already working on, or you can open a new design created from a template or custom size. For this tutorial, any design will work, as long as it contains text that you want to apply the transparent blur effect to. Once your design opens, click directly on the text element you want to edit. Whether it's a headline or a catchy phrase, selecting the right text is important for creating the effect you want. Make sure the text is selected because the settings we're about to change will only appear when a text element is active. With the text selected, look at the top toolbar. Here, you'll find several editing options like font size, color, and effects. Now, locate the transparency button in the toolbar. This icon usually looks like a checkerboard or a fading square. Click on the transparency button to open the transparency slider. Slowly adjust the slider to reduce the opacity of your text. As you move the slider, you'll notice the text becoming more transparent. Adjust this according to your needs until you get the level of transparency you want. This step is important because it creates the base for the transparent blur effect. A good level of transparency will help the blur animation blend smoothly, making the effect look sleek and professional. Once you're happy with the transparency, keep the text selected and move back to the top toolbar. Now, click on the Animate option. This opens Canva's animation panel, where you can apply motion and visual effects to your text. Inside the animation options, scroll until you find the Blur animation. Click on Blur to apply it to your text. You'll instantly see the text take on a smooth blur animation effect, which works beautifully with the transparency you just added. This effect is fantastic for adding depth and drawing attention to key text in your designs. To customize the animation even further, look for the option that lets you adjust how the animation is applied. Click on Character to apply the blur animation character by character. This creates a more dynamic and professional-looking effect, especially for headings or short phrases. It's great for making your text look more engaging, whether you're using it for a bold product description or a striking social media post. You can experiment with other options here as well, depending on the style you're going for. For instance, you might want to apply the blur effect to the entire text at once for a more subtle, uniform look, or use a staggered approach for a more dramatic effect. Play around with these settings to find the perfect match for your design's vibe. Finally, click on the Preview button to see the animation in action. This lets you view how the transparent blur effect looks in real time. It's always a good idea to preview your design before finalizing it. If needed, you can go back and tweak the transparency level or animation settings until everything looks just right. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in how polished your final design will appear. And that's it! You've successfully created a transparent blur effect in Canva using simple, built-in tools. This effect can elevate your designs and give them a sleek, modern touch, making them perfect for catching attention on social media or in presentations. Whether you're showcasing products on your Shopify store or designing a creative social media ad, this technique will help you create stunning, professional-looking graphics. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.